Hi, my name is Lily and I work for the support team at Klik. In this video, I'll be showing you how to insert dynamic rates into Klik in 3 steps. Dynamic rates are what is used by the channel manager to update channel partners with all rate details. They are called dynamic as each have different variables, i.e. dates, minimum stay, inclusion of breakfast and/or taxes, booking period, cut-off date, varied occupancy. It is important to follow these steps carefully to ensure all rates are created seamlessly. Step 1. Contact Klik support team. Before setting up the dynamic rates, you will need to contact the Klik team using the support page so that they create what are called the rate plans and room types. These are what will allow you to create your own rates and have your property be connected to the channel partners. In order to do this, you need to go to your support page here. Then, using the send email function, ask the Klik team to create the rate plan and room types for your property, and then press send. Step 2. Contact the channel partner. As the connectivity settings also depend on the channel partners themselves, for some you will need to inform them of the setup you wish to implement, i.e. which channel manager you wish to use, that you want to offer reduced occupancy rates, etc. Step 3. Create your dynamic rates. Once this is done, you can create your rates. To do this, find the property using the search bar in the listing menu. Then select Edit. And using the Jump To function on the right hand side, you select Rates Dynamic, which will take you there. Once here, you need to enter the required data into the various fields. Season name can be whatever you want, for example peak season. For season start and end, use the calendar that appears to select your desired dates. You then select the rate plan and room type. For the currency, by default it is set as your company currency selected in your settings. However, this can be whichever currency you decide to use within your channel manager. Some channels may impose you to use your domestic currency. And then you set the rate. The extra bed fee will be whatever you charge for an extra guest per night and must include all taxes. Please also verify the settings for this function in your channel partner's account. The cut-off days is the number of days a guest is able to reserve the property before arrival, i.e. if the guest can only book up to 1 day before arrival, put in a 1. If the guest can book on the same day of arrival, put in 0. The minimum stay is the minimum number of nights required for booking in this season, and the maximum stay is the maximum number of nights allowed for a booking in this season. If there is no maximum number of nights per season, simply add 0. After completing this form, you click Add. And then the new dynamic rate you just created will appear in the rates table for you to verify that the information is accurate. You then repeat the process for each new season you wish to add. For this property, I have also added low and high season dynamic rates for 3-bedroom and 2-bedroom occupancy, and in peak season, only the 3-bedroom rate. Like in our example, if at peak or any other season you only wish to rent the property at full occupancy, you only need to insert one set of rates for this season. It's very important to verify that there are no overlapping or gaps between the seasonal dates. I see here a discrepancy in the date, which I will edit to ensure accuracy of my rates. To do this, I click the Edit button, change the date, and Submit. The season will now show the corrected date. Here is a villa in which I have added a full year's worth of dynamic rates, so you can see what a complete schedule of rates look like. As seasons expire, you do not need to keep the record and can either delete the row by clicking Delete, or edit the information for a new season by selecting Edit and then re-entering the data into the required fields. Thank you for watching this video. Please check out our YouTube channel for more tutorials.